part of the Fazer Mk2 lineup. Now I'm not even gonna go what's on the outside of the box because everybody did so many of those videos. I'm just gonna open her up because I want to see what she looked like. This is a Christmas gift from my wife, and I got another one coming up right after this one. But first, let's get into the Tundra. Here we go, pulling her out the box. I looked at it, but I didn't really look at it and pull the stuff out, see what we get in the box. The car, I'm not gonna take the plastic off yet. You know, that smell of a new RC, man, nothing beats that. All right, what you get in the box here? You got the manual, you got the rotors, you got some tools, stickers, you got spacers, got all kinds of goodies in here. You got one little piece of sticker, but that's okay, that's fine. You got Kyosho Classic radio. This thing works pretty good. I got a couple MK2s and Kyosho cars, and this got long range. It feels good in the hand. I could do one-handed driving with this. All right, let's take the plastic off. All right, outside the box. This body is nice. They got composite parts on it right here. You got light buckets. It come with mirrors. I like the pickup truck look. Yeah, nice job. Only thing I would have liked for the bed to be black, which I'm gonna definitely fix that myself. Now the body is pretty good. It comes with like the mirrors on the side right here. Also comes with a wing. Comes with a wing attached to the body and a diffuser in the back. It's separate pieces. You can screw it in right there. Yeah, this body is tight. Come with this up here. Hard plastic. Well, not really hard plastic. Got minimum decals on it, but that's cool. That's a scale look of a real pickup truck. You don't have all that extra stuff on there. That thing is real nice. Now on the inside of the car, you got the 550 14-turn brush motor. The ESC is the 60 amp Kyosho ESC. You got oil-filled shocks. You got a plastic center drive shaft though. You got plastic dog bones in the front and in the rear. The tires are pretty good. You know, I like that look. You love these tires. I like that. Got nice compound on the tires. Plastic chassis. If you don't know the Kyosho line, come with plastic chassis, which makes it light. So these cars are pretty fast, even in brush. You got the rotor and brake calipers on there. Nice red brake calipers. Shiny red. Looks real good on there. Got the Dean's plug on there. So you need some Dean batteries. This is 2 to 3S capable. This is 4-wheel drive. Kyosho do their thing, man. I love this MK2, the MK2s. Never had a problem with it. Now this is another addition. Now the body has light buckets. And back to the body, it got clear windows, light buckets in the rear, light buckets in the front. This thing is blurring up crazy, man. Yeah, this thing is beautiful. It's not too much. The thing I'm gonna do with it, it sits nice and low. Thing sits real low. I don't know what is this, an orange, a dark orange, or hemi orange, or it's real tight there. Well, y'all know I'm gonna do my thing. I'm gonna put some, make this bed black. I'm gonna throw some lights on there. Yeah, this thing is beautiful. All right, I added the lights. I added my black to the back. Couldn't get a big even piece. I'm just leave it like that for now. I'm gonna add something to make that play its part better. Now what I did, see I added red to the lugs. Go nice with that red brick caliber. And as for lights, that look tight. I got blue in the front and red and yellow in the back. Yo, this thing looks tight. I'm not gonna add nothing else to the car. I was trying to figure out should I add something to the windshield, but this thing is, man, this thing looks great. So with my light kit, these is lights I already had. I actually did about 5 or 6 cars with the lights that I had. It's this light kit. It's not a light kit. It's a light bundle. You get off of Amazon, and you get over 200 lights. You get 25 blue like this, 25 red, yellow, green, and you get color changing lights. You get 2 sets of color changing lights. You got your quick changing lights, and then you got the slow color changing lights. So what I do is, like, I take them lights, like I put blue on here. I was gonna put white, but I put blue because I'm running out of white. You know, I added that light kit on so many cars, that one light bundle. Stop saying kit. Added that light bundle to so many different RCs. It's not even funny. But as always, this is Phillyswords RC. Hit that like button, hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas and have a great day.